Ever wondered how the Merc with a Mouth turns his millions into a life that's equal parts action hero, glamour, and down to earth dad vibes? That's right, we're diving into how Ryan Reynolds, the king of quips and clever investments, spends his hard earned fortune. From blockbuster paychecks to billion-dollar business flips, this guy's got a playbook that's as entertaining as his movies. Buckle up, because we're breaking it all down. Let's go! First off, the big number. As of 2025, Ryan Reynolds' net worth clocks in at a jaw-dropping $350 million. But here's the plot twist. It's not just from playing wisecracking superheroes. Sure, Deadpool Wolverine raked in billions at the box office, netting Ryan a cool 30-40 million paycheck per film. But the real money? It's in his business empire. Picture this. Back in 2018, Ryan snagged a stake in Aviation American Gin. He didn't just invest, he became the face, churning out hilarious ads that went viral. Fast forward to 2020, and he sells it to Diageo for up to $610 million. With his 20-25% ownership, that's around $122 million in his pocket after milestones. Not bad for a guy who started as a soap opera heartthrob. Then there's Mint Mobile, the budget phone carrier he bought into in 2019. Ryan's quirky commercials turned it into a sensation. In 2023, T-Mobile snaps it up for $1.35 billion, and with his 25% stake, Ryan walks away with over $300 million. Add in co-owning Wrexham AFC, bought for peanuts in 2021, now worth £100 million, and investments in tech like Wealthsimple, Nuvei, and the Alpine phone team, zero. 3. This man's turning millions into more millions faster than Deadpool regenerates limbs. So, how does Ryan splash that cash? Let's start with his real estate, because every Hollywood mogul needs a fortress of solitude or two. Ryan and his wife, Blake Lively, keep things family focused in their primary pad, a stunning $5.7 million mansion in Pound Ridge, New York. This colonial-style beast sits on 11.65 acres of lush countryside, think rolling hills, perfect for their 4 kids to run wild. Inside, 892 square feet with 7 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, dark hardwood floors, and slate walls for that rustic chic vibe. There's even a guest house and barn, ideal for movie nights or hiding from paparazzi. But when city life calls, they've got a sleek Tribeca loft in Manhattan, a historic spot rubbing shoulders with celebs like Justin Timberlake. And for his Wrexham adventures, a cozy 1.9 million home in the Welsh village of Marford, blending old world charm with modern luxury. No mega yachts here. Ryan's spending is smart, not showy, prioritizing privacy and family over flashy excess. Now, onto the wheels. Ryan's garage is a mix of high-octane thrills and eco-conscious choices, proving he's got a green side under that red suit. Leading the pack, his Lamborghini Aventador, a 500 Zero beast with a V12 engine screaming 769 horsepower. 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, perfect for channeling Deadpool's chaos. But Ryan balances it with family haulers like the Cadillac Escalade, a roomy SUV for chauffeured rides around Hollywood with Blake and the kids. He's got a soft spot for classics too, a vintage Mercedes-Benz 190 SL Roadster from the 50s topping out at 107 mph but oozing timeless style. And don't forget the eco rides, a Tesla Model S and Nissan Leaf for guilt-free cruising plus a Toyota Prius for undercover errands. Oh, and motorcycles? Ryan's a biker at heart, a customized 2014 Triumph Thruxton Cafe Racer and a rare 2006 Ducati Paul Smart 1000 LE. Total collection value? Easily over $1 million, but it's more about the thrill than the bling. But Ryan's millions aren't all about mansions and motors. In 2025, he's doubling down on family life, taking a step back from the Hollywood grind to focus on Blake and their 4 little ones. After a whirlwind 2024 with Deadpool, Wolverine smashing records, Ryan's vowed sabbaticals before, like in 2022, to be present for bedtime stories and family vacations. Their spending here is heartfelt. Exotic getaways to recharge, Think private beaches, no details spill for privacy, high-end family experiences, and yes, private jets for those cross-country hops. But it's grounded. No over-the-top kid parties. Instead, quality time in their NY haven. Ryan's even joked about the chaos of parenting four. It's a lot easier said than done for workaholics like us. Yet, they're making it work, jumping off the treadmill for more home cooked moments. And here's where Ryan's heart shines brightest: philanthropy. This guy is not just spending, he's giving back in epic ways. He's raised millions for Toronto's Sick Kids Foundation through his annual ugly holiday sweater campaigns. Think festive fun with cameos from pals like Seth Rogen. In 2025, he and Blake matched donations, doubling the impact for sick children. They've donated $1 million to Feeding America for hurricane relief, $500K to Water First for Indigenous youth training in Canada, and supported the Michael J. Fox Foundation for Parkinson's. Ryan's group effort initiative opens doors for underrepresented folks in entertainment, and he's backed causes like Ukraine refugees, Vancouver food banks, and the Terry Fox Foundation for cancer research. Total giving? Tens of millions, proving his millions fuel more than luxury. They fuel change. So there you have it. Ryan Reynolds spends his millions like a true anti-hero. Smart investments that multiply, luxurious yet practical pads and rides, family-first vibes, and a generous heart that gives back. From flipping gin brands to family forts in the countryside, he's living proof that wit, work, and wisdom can build an empire. If this got you inspired, hit that like button, subscribe for more celeb lifestyle breakdowns, and drop a comment. What's your favorite Ryan Reynolds movie or business move? Thanks for watching. Stay witty out there.